It's a great day, KFC. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get the chicken and waffles, the sandwich combo?
You want the sandwich combo?
Yes, please.
You want that hot honey flavor or just regular?
Hot honey.
All right, anything else for you?
Can you make the drink Mountain Dew with no ice?
All right, I got a hot honey waffle, chicken sandwich with the potato wedges, and Mountain Dew, no ice.
Yes, that's it.
All right, $8.95.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
What's up, special agents? Today we're going to KFC to get KFC's chicken and waffles. Well, let's see what we got in the bag here. Thankfully, we got napkins. We got... Whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Wow. That is a big sandwich. Man, it's like a ball. This is crazy. Man, that's like a thick burger size or something. That's huge. This is ginormous. Like at some point, it's as big as my head. Not really, but it's about half my head. Wow, that's crazy. Half the man I used to be. And we got some potato wedgies. Or potato wedges. Gotta love these. But we're not here for this. What we're here for is a big snowball sandwich here called chicken and waffles. We also got, of course, Mrs. Buttersworth and butter packet. To tell you the truth, I don't know how far I'm going to go with that in the car. I have not thought this through. This could be super messy. You stay there. I'm going to figure this out. Alright, I got a plan. I got my sleeves rolled up. I'm ready to dig into this sandwich. First, let's get a closer look. Oh, behold, KFC's scrumdiddlyumptious looking chicken and waffles. Man, chicken and waffle sandwich, that is. Now, I did get the hot honey on the chicken, and I've never had the hot honey. I hope that's not a mistake. So this is my first experience with the hot honey at KFC, but it sounded so good. I don't know, I didn't want it plain. I wanted a hot honey. Whatever hot honey is, I don't even know. It's very overcast today. I'm trying to get some good light on this beautiful sandwich. Do it justice. Wow. That waffle looks amazing. Oh, it smells so good in here. And the chicken, as always, looks delicious at KFC. I think I'm going to try this in stages. First stage is going to be trying it just as it came. And as it slides away from me, come back here, chicken and waffles. It's on the run. Chicken run. So, yeah, we're going to try it as is. And then, maybe we'll put some butter on, some syrup, and try it that way too. Alright. Let's get this in my belly! Alright, here we go. Chicken and waffle time. Man, this is a big sandwich. Let's see how I do. See if I can even bite this thing. Man. Man. This thing is crazy big. Very rich flavor. hot honey. Hot honey is good. Let's try this waffle by itself. That's delicious. Let's try some of this hot honey chicken by itself. It's got a nice flavor, that chicken. I like the hot honey. One of those many flavors that KFC came out with that I just didn't get around to the hot honey. I think I got most of the other flavors that came out. Just not hot honey. That's good though. It's got a little kick to it, but not a lot. I would say it's as zesty as like McDonald's chicken fillets. They got a little pepper on them. It's got a little pepper heat to it. And the Belgian style waffles are very substantial. I mean, this is not an Eggo. This is this is something. I just lost some hot honey in the crevice of my car. Will it ever be retrieved? Who knows? Who knows? It is yet to be determined. I think it's that time I get my car vacuumed. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Hot honey goodness. All right. Let's take another bite. Get some more of this hot honey and waffles in me. Man, it smells so good. That is substantial. This is so good, guys. Now, I got the butter and the syrup, but this really does not need it. I mean, unless you want to get super messy, which is going to happen with the syrup. I've seen other people eating it with the syrup, and it's dripping all over. And I'm going to try it, just because I want to know what that flavor is like, because it's probably what you would expect out of chicken and waffles. More of that, you know, maple syrup and butter. Now, I've been dying to try this because one of my favorite sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches, that is, and this was not at breakfast time. I don't think KFC serves breakfast. They could now with this. But one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches that I believe is not even on the McDonald's menu is the chicken McGriddle. Love the chicken McGriddle. I know people they did advertise for it for a little while, but it's not something that's normally up on the menu. So I get that frequently. It's a go-to for McDonald's breakfast for me. I love that sandwich. To me, it tastes like chicken and waffles. I mean, the McGriddle itself has bursts of maple syrup in that muffin. And that coupled with a piece of breaded chicken, I mean, that's chicken and waffles right there. Now, this tastes like it's got some maple syrup flavor in there. It's definitely not just a plain waffle. Like if you were to cook up a Belgian waffle in your waffle maker at home, it's not going to have this flavor that's in this waffle. So I believe that they've already baked in some maple flavor in there. And coupled with the hot honey on this chicken, which they probably thought that would go really well, and they're right. It goes perfectly well together. If they had a maple chicken, they'd probably do that. But the hot honey works well. And I can imagine it'll be delicious with the maple syrup and butter. I mean, it's just going to be messy. Going to be something that you probably want to be sitting down, maybe stick it on a plate, cut it up, eat it that way. But yeah, let's try that now. Hold on. This is proven to be messy already. I just opened the butter packet, so here we got the KFC butter packet, and it is dripping already. And it's kind of melted from the heat of the sandwich in the bag. So we're gonna put a little, drizzle some of this butter on here. Oh, it looks good. And we need some maple syrup. This is insane. Got Mrs. Buttersworth. Gotta love her. Okay. Man. Danger, danger. Spilly. There's some maple syrup on here. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, now, whoa. Oh, man. How am I gonna eat this? This is insane. This is gonna be so messy. Right. Together. Alright, here we go. Doing this for you guys, doing this for you. Now for the messy version of the KFC chicken and waffles with butter and maple syrup. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. That buttery goodness. Maple syrup. It does heighten the experience to another level, that's for sure. I might just need to wrap it up. Eat it with the what do you call this? When they put the burger in the little napkin thing. Can't think of what they call that, but you know, do this so you don't drip everywhere in your car. Ooh. Well, it doesn't look like I got hit with anything, so that's good. All the butter and maple syrup goodness all contained in the wrapper here. Oh my gosh, let's have one last bite. Wow. Delicious, guys. I highly recommend it. Delicious sandwich, KFC chicken and waffles. So glad they came out with this. Man, I hope they keep it on the menu because this is awesome. Now I'll need to try the chicken strips and the little waffles. I'll try that later on. I'm sure it's gonna taste exactly the same, but I think it'll just be a lot more convenient to eat. You know, take out your fork and knife. You got a little container there. I think that'll be nice. You probably should serve this in one of those containers too. And you know, go ahead and put that syrup and butter already on the sandwich. Bam! Stick it in that container. Give you a bunch of napkins and maybe some wet wipes, and you'll be set. Alright guys, go on to KFC, check this out. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, give me some feedback, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.